question number 7 of exercise 7.1. The question is this one: divide 8200. Now here again we will have to use linear equation. Divide 8200 among A, B and C. So let's understand first what is the in exercise 7.1, this is the question. It says, question number 7 says, divide 8200. Now understand it with a diagram. Divide 8200 between A, B and C. So you have to divide this money between A, B and C. So they are not getting the same amount, they are getting different amount. It says A gets 60%. A gets 60% of B. B gets 40% of 40% of C, and C is not given. So how will you do it? With linear equation. You have to suppose something x in this, then you will get it. So when you distribute the question in the form of a diagram, then it becomes easy to understand. So A is getting something which is 60% of B, B is getting 40% of C, C is not given. So if I suppose this number as x, yes, if I get suppose C as x, then B I will get 40%, A I will get 60%. So you have to suppose as C is x and then keep putting the values. So keep this diagram in mind and write, let the question is divide, let the money C, let the amount of C be x. So C is getting x, B gets how much? B gets 40% of x. 40% of x means, and A 40% of x means 40 upon 100 x. So 40x upon 100, and A gets 60% of A gets 60% of B. B we have already found. So what will be A? A is getting 60% of A gets 60% of B. So 60% of B means B we have got. So it will get 60% of B means 60% of this. So it will be 40x upon 100. So keep this in mind. A is 60% of this. This is 40% of this. Therefore, if this is x, B will become 40%. So 40% of this means 40x upon 100. A will get 60% of this. So it will become 60% of this number. So 60% of this number means 60% of 40x upon 100. So this will become how much? You can simplify. And now the equation becomes simple, linear equation. It will become the value of A plus B plus C is equal to 8200. The value of A, B and C is 8200. So A we have got, B we have got and C we have got. So put these numbers in this equation. So this you can simplify if you want. So I am cutting, let there be 100. I will not cut all the numbers. This will become how much? it will become 6 for the 24, 24x upon 100. So this is A, this is B, this is C. So keep first you watch, after that you can see this replay, you will understand what is. Now we will put the value. A is 24x upon 100, B is 40x upon 100, C is x is equal to 8200. Now solve and take the LCM. This will become 24x plus LCM 40x. Do minimum calculation. This will be 100x is equal to 8200. So this number will come here. So now when you will add it, it will become 100 plus 40 plus 24. What will this become? Type the answer below. 100 plus 40 plus 24 will become 164x upon 100. 164x upon 100, and on the right side it is equal to this number, it is equal to 8200. Now you have to find the value of x. It will become x is equal to cross multiply 8200, two zeros will come here, divided by 164, cross multiply, and now we will divide 82 2, because the table will become this. Answer is x is equal to 5. So we have got one answer, x is equal to 5000. The value of x is 5000. So what was x? X was C. So let C be x. C has come 5000. Therefore, the value, the share of C is equal to this 5000. What is the share of B? B will become 40x upon 100, means 40 into x, and A will become 24x. 24x upon 100 means 24 into x. X gave 5000. So we have got three answers. When you solve, this will become 0 and 0 will cut. You will get three answers. The value of the three answers should come 8200. So multiply 4 into 5, 20. It will become 2000. This when you multiply, type the answer. What will be the answer of this number? 24 into 50. Type the answer below. 24 into 50. Type the answer. It will become 0 and the total should come 8200. So 5, 0 will come, 5 into 4, 20. These are the values of A, B and C. So A will get 1200 rupees, B will get 2000 rupees, C will get 5000 rupees. So how did this come? You can check. Yes, right, 1200. So A is equal to 1200. So I think you have understood. You can revise the steps which I have explained to understand. This will help you to revise linear equation also. In linear equation, we are supposing x. So in this question also, I have supposed x. And then you put the value. After that, this step. And then the answer. So we did question number 8, alloy copper and zinc 1. So watch the previous class. I will share the link below this video also. You can check. Next question, in due to increase, question number 10. Due to increase in the price, a family decreases the consumption of sugar. What will be the percentage increase or decrease in the expenditure? So this question, important question number, let's do 10. So first read question number 10. That is important. Here it is a question on finding the marks obtained. In an exam, Ramesh obtained some marks. He has obtained 9 more marks. So how many people are there in the question? Ramesh has got 9 more marks than Vinay. So there are again 2 people. Ramesh has got 9 more marks than Vinay. So there are 2 people in this. Now in this it says Ramesh has got 9 more than him. And so what will you suppose? He has got 9 more means if I suppose this x, he will become, if this is x, he will get 9 more. So he will get x plus 9. Linear equation concept. So this is linear equation again. So linear equation will be used in every question. Most of the questions are easy with linear equation. In an exam, Ramesh got 9 more marks than Vinay. He has got 9 more marks than Vinay. And Ramesh marks, his marks are compared in 2 ways. His marks were 56% of the sum of the marks obtained by both of them. Now this part confuses. This is easy, but it says Ramesh marks, if you compare, were, the next part says his marks are also compared in this way, that the marks of Ramesh are 56% of the sum of the marks obtained by both. So this will make an equation. So we have to suppose, so first we will write whose marks are x. So let the marks of Vinay be x. Ramesh is x plus 9. Now next part is to be understood. Ramesh marks were 56%. The equation will be Ramesh, his marks, understand first from here, are 56% of the sum of the marks. 56% of this plus this. What will be the equation? His marks are also 56% of the total. So what will it become? 56% of the total of Ramesh and this. So it will become x plus 9. Now read the question. In an exam, Ramesh got 9 more marks than, so he has got x plus 9. Vinay's marks we have supposed x, and Ramesh marks were 56% of the sum of the marks, 56% of the sum of the marks obtained by both. So what are the Ramesh's mark? Ramesh's marks are x plus 9. So which will become 56 upon 100 into, so if you compare in linear equation, we always compare. So if you compare, his marks are already given. So x plus 9 will come here. This becomes an equation. So x plus 9 Yes, equal you will do. Now you will solve. So how will you solve? This will cross multiply. So when you cross multiply, what will it become? It will become x plus 9. This will be written as upon 1. And this will cross multiply. When you cross multiply, it will become 100 will come this side. So when 100 comes on this side, it will become cross multiply this. So when you cross multiply, 100 will come this side, it will become 100 into x plus 9 is equal to 56 into 2x plus 9. This is your equation. When you will solve, x will come 100x plus 900 is equal to 2 into 6 12 112x plus 504. Now simplify 100x 112x is equal to 504 minus 900. Simplify by subtracting. This will give you the answer. What do you get? Minus 100 and 112 will become minus 12x. And what is the answer of the right side? Type the answer of right side. 504 minus 900. What will you get on the right side? Type the answer of right side. Got it? Oh. Type the answer. So the number on the right side will have minus, and then it will become x is equal to minus 396 upon minus 12. This will divide and it will give the answer as 3. So x is equal to 33. The value of x is 33. So if x is 33, what did you suppose? Yes, 12x is equal to, right? So the value of x comes 33. So if x is 33, what did we get? We have got the answer of this, and this becomes plus 9. So you have got the marks of Vinay. Vinay is 33 marks because it was x, and Ramesh is x plus 9. So 33 plus 9, which becomes the marks of the second person. How much? 42 marks. We have got both the marks. And solve by the solution is with the help of linear equation. Question is solved with the help of linear equation. Okay, so Ramesh, marks of Ramesh are 42 and the marks of Vinay are 33. So these are some of the questions which need to be understood. Apart from this, there are some solved examples and some questions which are given as practice. So let's understand the basic of the next exercise, which is profit and loss. So exercise 7.2 is profit and loss. Now 8D has done with a method. If 8C wants, you can do with this method. So there is a question of profit and loss. So all of you know what is profit and when is loss. When do you make profit and when do you make loss? Profit is made when you buy something for less and you sell it for more. So if you have bought something for 100 rupees and you sell it for 200 rupees, you have made profit. When you buy something for 100 rupees and you sell it for 50 rupees, you are at loss. And then you have to use concept of percentage to simplify. So exercise 7.2, there are some formula given in the book. If you feel you are comfortable with the formula, you can use the formula. But I am solving it with a method which will be applicable everywhere. Let's see question number 1A. It is written, I am writing what is given. Find the selling price when the cost price is rupees 875 and there is a loss of 12%. So in the questions where there is profit, there is loss given in the form of percent, selling price and cost price are also given. Then we are told to find in these questions where selling price, CP, SP, three things should be there. Out of the three things, one you have to find. So how will you do this question where there is a loss of 12%, CP is given 875. So I am writing a method which will be used in every question. Okay, so 1A and 1B we will I am explaining. So here in every question we will solve the question by writing so here you have to find selling price, but I am writing let the cost price. So you will see in every question I will use the same method. So let the cost price be 100. Just copy the same step in every question and see that it will come easily. And it is 100. Because there is loss, you will do minus 12. Just now I will explain one more question. Then you will understand everywhere the method is same. It is 88 coming. So whether you have to find selling price or you have to find CP, you will always suppose let the cost price be 100. Whether you have to find SP or CP, you will always use this as the cost price be 100. Then selling price will become 100 minus when there is loss. When there is gain, it will be plus. After that, one common method is used, which is so here I am using a concept which is CP upon SP. This is not method, but I have simplified the method using unitary method and variation. So in this one formula is used where CP is CP upon SP. So I am writing this 100. This CP is this. Selling price will be 88. So I will write 88 here. CP is this CP. So it is 875 upon SP is not given. So when you will cross multiply, you will get the answer. Cross multiply, it will become 875 into 88. This will cross multiply, then upon 100. So when you divide, it will give you the answer. It will give you the selling price. You can solve it. Yes, right. After that, get what is the answer by cancelling it. So this is to understand the concept. Now same type of question with same method, but the question is question number 1B part. So in question 1B part, it is given find the CP. First, understand the question. Selling price is given rupees 650 and there is a gain of 4%. So this question and this question, there is some difference. See here, a selling price is to be found, here CP is to be found, here CP is given, here SP is given, here it is loss, here it is gain. So both will have different formula. In your book there are 4 formula given. If you are able to do those formula, you can use those formula. Otherwise you can use what I am telling you. So both the questions are different, but I will solve both the question with same method. So see, I have written let the CP. In this question also I will write let the cost price be 100. See, same thing. Same. Then selling price is 100. There is gain. Here it is loss. In loss you will do minus. In gain you will do plus. So there is a gain of 4. So it will become 104. Now the formula will be common. I will use the same formula. So CP upon SP. And now CP is what? 100. This is SP. So it will become 100. This is 100. Right? 100 upon SP is 104. And this CP is this CP which we have to find. So CP and SP is this. So when you will cross multiply, it will become 650 will multiply this. So 650 into 100 upon 104. So when you divide this, you will get the answer, which will be CP is equal to and the answer. So I have not used different method here. See, in both the questions I have begun with the same formula. Here also, here also. Here also I suppose let the cost price be. Here also let the cost price be. So if you are comfortable, you can use this formula. So I am explaining this question so that everyone is able to do the question easily. So here what is the answer and here what is the answer? First type what is the answer here. So what is the answer here? Cancel it. Here also you cancel it. So what is the answer of this selling price and what is the answer of? So write type SP is equal to how much and type CP is equal to how much. Calculate and type the answer. Now to understand this concept and other parts, yes, I am giving you some numbers where you can solve and understand the concept. So if find this, so not for practice, note down these questions. I will change. The selling price is given. CP you have to find. SP is and there is loss is 10%. This is first question. Okay, calculated you 770. Yes, selling price is, so you got the answer 770. The selling price is 770. And what is the cost price of this question? What is the cost price? Type CP is equal to how much? After that, try to do this question. So I am giving you two questions for practice where selling price is to be found. Here selling price is given 5,000 and there is gain. Now these two questions you can note or you can take screenshot of these two questions. Method used will be same which I have explained just now. Watch this explanation again and you will see that same method you will apply. Where there is gain you will do plus 625. Okay, you got the answer. CP is rupees 625. So you have got two answers. One is here, one is here. Okay, so you have to find CP in this case. Yes, right, 625. Now you can note down these two questions to understand the concept or practice and then try to do them. So in the next class we will continue CPSP with some method and the percentage concept. So in the comment you can type if you want to have a class at night, then I can take a class at night also. So try these two questions and then we will meet in the next class for further revision of this. See you in the next class.